I wasn't planning this recording at all, but I'm just working on this laptop. I've had the window open. The weather is pretty poor, cloudy and raining. Within 10 minutes of me opening the window, I've started to make noises like when I'm trying to scratch the back of my ear or my throat, which makes no sense. But if I make them walking down the street, it's like I'm on day release from some kind of mental institution. And there's that much pollen up my nose that it's a bee's paradise right now. So it's only going to end in one way. So I've just opened up this recorder and we'll see what happens. Oh, come on. Yeah. Shit. Is it winter yet? Get out of my nose. I was trying to say about stifling. Last one. But I think I'd end up in accident. An emergency. Trying to hold it back a little bit. Pointless. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I can't stop. Oh. I'm stopping now. Otherwise you're going to get bored. It's going on too long. Thank you for listening. Close the windows.